Hey guys, welcome to today's video. If you don't know me, my name is Ramtin and I'm an e-commerce entrepreneur, and basically I started dropshipping past couple of 4 or 5 months ago. Yeah, around that. And in this video I'm going to show you how I took basically a new store that I made last week from $0 to $15,000 in less than a week. And before I start the video, I just wanted to tell you, if you want to enter a free giveaway and to win a 20 minutes consultation call with me, all you have to do is drop a comment down below and write ecom 2021 and smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will announce the winner every week, and I will announce 2 winners. So guys, without further ado, let's just hop onto the content. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the Shopify store that I took from $0 to $15,000 in less than a week. And this is basically a store. I'm going to refresh the page for you. So you can see here, this is not fake numbers. You can see my conversion rate and average order value, but this average order value should be around 14 euros. But the reason that is like this, because I have an app for post-purchase upsell that I offer customers the same product at the checkout when they purchase it in the thank you page, and when they purchase that product for half the price that I'm offering them. So that drops down the average order value, but Shopify should count that as the first order they did, but it basically does not. So this should be a little bit higher, but yeah, more on that later guys. So I'm going to show you the step by step what I did with this store, and like how I scaled the store, and basically so you can do it in your business and replicate the process. Okay guys, so this is we are here. So here I'm going to explain for you better. So the first step is, just give me a second here. Okay, so first step is focus on the product that can help you improve your life in a way. Like for example, in my previous videos I told you how to find the winning products and how to like test it in on-top markets, or like basically the countries. The key like to success in Shopify, or I don't know, dropshipping at the moment, I believe, is not to how to find the winning product, but how to find the country that those products are working in. And basically everybody is doing it in US market and Australia or other countries, which I strongly like recommend you not to, but depend on the product as well, depend on the month, depend on the everything, you know, the people, the age range and all of that. Like high ticket, low ticket, yeah, but basically you can only like focus on yourself as well to see like you know yourself, and you're basically, you can see like, okay, what product can improve my way of life. So you can just target on that and just target people like yourself, and like basically it doesn't matter how small that is. Like basically you get 2,000 3,000 purchases if you're selling kind of high ticket, not low ticket as well, not high ticket, like like in the middle of that, you're going to like make almost, I don't know, 50k or something like that, and you're good to go, you know. Doesn't think your market doesn't have to be very big. You still sell to 200-300 people, you say you're going to make a lot of money, and with that pixel data you can scale it to bigger audience. So that's guys basically is my first tip to you. Just think like, how can you make your own life easier? But is that something that you wish that you had, or you wish that you had improved on, so you can just offer that to the market? You know, it's all about like dropping value and just help people. When you help people, you can get basically just make a lot of money guys. So the second thing is getting your prospect to see that they need a product, and having it is a must. So with this, that I taught, with the method that I taught in my previous video, the Facebook ad blueprint, it was that you can use some kind of methods to enter your prospects psychology, and which one of them was that cut and band-aid formula, which was just to target their feelings and just tell them with the problem that they have, then you're cutting them, and after that you offer your product, which is a solution to that problem, with like, and that's the way like it works most of the time, but that's the basic line. And like one of the things that helped me with understanding the ways to advertise was a book called Cash Advertising. I'm going to show it to you here, which is this one, if you can see it. Yeah, and the book Cash Advertising is just gives you ton of secret of ad agencies that they basically use, and this book like helped me a lot. There is like LF8 and all the good stuff, guys. I'm not going to spoil the book for you, but I strongly recommend you to read that. And the third thing is testing and killing aggressively with my Facebook ad blueprint. Basically what I taught you in the last video is just I did that, but much harder, but with much harder and more aggressive. I mean that I was spending a lot of money, not a lot, but I was spending more to get results more. For example, in my last video I said that you can spend $50 per day for testing, but if you want to get more results, you can just spend $30 and let that ad set run for 1 day. But if you're doing $50, you're just doing it in 2 days. And just basically doing that and turning off ads very fast to not lose money. And basically we did $50,000, made around 45% of that is profit. And yeah guys, this is basically the product that we are seeing, that I saw that someone else was selling it in another country, and I bring it in Europe. And I'm just going to reveal to you a country I'm advertising in currently, but I'm doing it in Spain at the moment, and I'm only in Spain, guys. And my website is in Spanish, everything is in Spanish, my ads are in Spanish, and that's why I have such great results. And fourth thing is finding a good competitor for ideas and inspirations, as I told you. And the way I found my competitor for this product, it was around last week that I was just scrolling ads on my Facebook page, and I saw this ad, I found it interesting, I did some research and due diligence, and after that I found, okay, this product might worth testing. And after that I did some more research, like what country can I sell it in, what country have been this product sold to. So I saw the most like countries that where products were sold to and focused on was US, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, Ireland, and so I thought, okay, maybe I can bring this product in another country that have never been advertised on, or maybe they have, but it wasn't in their own native language. And which after some research I found out that this product will like be good, like sell good on Spanish market, Spain market. And basically after 1 day testing, I know this was a winner, and just started to scale in it. And you guys are going to be with me in this journey, in this I'm going to document this store every week. I'm going to give you an update if nothing happened with Facebook. As you know, anything can happen with Facebook, but if ads continue to run this smoothly, yeah, I'm going to give you an update. So the next thing is finding an untapped country that product has a potential in. Basically what I was just talking about. It's just about like seeing the product and seeing what countries they have not advertising on, and just going there and dominating it. And if you need any translation, guys, like a translator that you can trust on, not anyone on Fiverr and stuff, you can just go to Upwork and post a job there. They're mostly professional there, and if there's anything serious for me that I need some professional to trust on for translation and this stuff, I just go to Upwork. I never use Fiverr. And the last thing is building a branded one product store around the product, researching the market for that product. So basically when I do after like talking to some of you guys, I found out that most of you like do a general store or niche store, but I never do that. I just do a one product store. I know that more time consuming, and it just takes you more of your time and money, and basically you have to buy a new domain, new Shopify store, just doing everything with that product. If that don't work, you have to do it all over again. Yes, that is true, but if you do it one time and you make it, next time it's going to be easier for you, and you're going to be fine seeing the little winning products much easier. And like when you're doing it with one product store, you have a more chance of knowing, okay, this isn't you or the advertisement strategy you use or the store. It's just the product that does not work in this country. And if I really believe in the product, I test it in different countries. I just change everything, language, the video, like everything. I change it. I go to a different country and test it. And like 80% like of the times this method works for me. It's just some countries you have lower margins, some countries you have higher margins depending on the shipping times, profit margins, their currency, like how are they payouts, is it a rich country or not, all of these small things that can like make or break even your profit margins, guys. So you have to make a one product store. You have to know the color for that niche. For example, if you're selling, I don't know, that what was the product that everyone was selling it in? The posture corrector, yeah, correct. I'm sorry guys. The posture corrector, or I don't know, something for back or something like that. Your website is mostly good if it's in bluish color, so reminds people of, I don't know, bluish or green colors that you can see like in hospitals and stuff, or I don't know, in pharmacies. I don't know, that reminded people of that like kind of color. Is a niche color they call, and just you can basically use that and take it in your advantage. But if you don't know the niche color, you just search it and see some top websites that are selling that product, guys. So you can see here the most revenue that I did in this store. It was like, basically the reason I was so high in profit margins, it was because I wasn't spending that much, but I was trying to sell to those customers that have visited my website, instead of like scaling. And this product, as you can see, is high margin, and my conversion rate is pretty high for high ticket product. As you can see here, here's my Klaviyo, and you can see that we generated almost $1,000 in Klaviyo in 7 days. And that's like, that's just me just doing email marketing, no one special, I'm just doing some easy email marketing. And you can see I have SMS pump as well here to spend $63 to get back almost $500. And you can see here the ROI is pretty high as well. So $1,500 just came from these apps, which is like pretty free money. And the rest of this is just testing, scaling, and just doing lookalikes and retargeting. So that's why I have so high profit margin. And basically my method is that I don't scale it too fast. I just go up like $400 a day up, like more than yesterday. But I don't go like $2,000 a day. I don't scale too fast because I lose control. My profit margins can get low, but I prefer like take it slowly and have higher profit margin so I can have control over anything. So yeah guys, this was today's video. I hope you got a little bit of value out of it. If you have any question, please comment down below or write me at my Instagram at Ramtin Hassanlu is going to be here. And basically that's it guys. Have a nice day.